apa? Ewan noh benci latih. Oh, dah Bulan our ABC when the bell rings. Wow, I still remember Simple Man of Rice. Yes, hello everyone, Meghalaya, Khasi, Shillong people, welcome back again, and your African boy, that is Gabs, back again, guys. And today I have one video suggested by the title May Ko Pa Ma Ewan noh. That's a Khasi song, and we are going to check it out, guys. And actually, by the way, today my friends, they are not here. So most of them, they are Muslim friends, so they are fasting, so they don't listen to music during fasting. So that is sad for all our Meghalaya people, but soon they will be back, guys. So today I'm going to check out, and maybe if it work out and if I find the music so amazing and good, I will also make them react with me after they finish their fasting. So that is not a big deal. Let's stay tuned, and don't forget, if it is your first time here, join the African family. Let's go, Meghalaya. Wait, I want to see. I think subtitle can be there, right? Yes. Beautiful kids. Oh, mother, father, dear, do come back home. Oh. In our childhood, in most of the household, we children are by ourselves at a time inside. Really? While mommy and daddy are off the field to put bread on the table. Okay? And when evening comes, we call on them to return home. When evening comes, we call them to return home. Okay, wait. So here, this song is the kids are sounding nice, and I love their voice, guys. So they're expressing that mostly in their village, like morning time, afternoon time, the parents, mom and dad, they will be out maybe hustling for their job. They will be working, and they will be only at home, guys, waiting for their parents to come. And I think evening time or night time is the best time for all the family in Meghalaya. I can understand from this music. It's sad, but what to do? Your parent has to work so that they can bring something, food on the table, guys. Let's check. Nice. Market day when the whole village is selling. Wow, so beautiful. So mountain top, you can see the coast of the Mommy and daddy are back to enjoy on their last good step. They are so happy now, the parents are back. ewan noh Byrki Kids. Oh, that was we done our ABC when wow, I still remember Simple Man of Rice. Great. Close to other. Make Papa They look beautiful, man. They sound good. Wow, see the kid. It's nice. Beautiful angels. Yeah, I think my hair with her is similar because mine is dreadlock. It's looking like pineapple now. Yeah. Okay, guys, that was really amazing, and this song just remind me of my life when I stay in my village with my grandma and aunties. Like, our grandparents, in the morning time they will be so busy. What they do, they will just prepare tea or some breakfast for us. Then they will leave. They will go some. They will go for cultivation. Like they will go to their garden, to the farm, to start preparing the farm, maybe cultivating or maybe doing some work in the farm. Like morning time, they will not be at home with us after the breakfast. So they have to go and hustle, do some rearing of animals, of the sheep and other hustling guys. So the best time, and we as a kids, like we feel so lonely by that time. So we just keep staying at home. And sometimes for me, I used to sit outside. Like I used to know what time my grandparents used to come, like around evening, right? When the time is almost there, then I used to sit outside just so like waiting, waiting for them when they will come. And this is where the happiness will start when they will be back home. You will feel good actually when your parents are around. And this is actually a true experience. It's not only I can see in Shillong, also in Africa we do experience that. Like kids will feel lonely during daytime. They'll be alone because their parents has to go and hustle. So this is really amazing and meaningful Khasi song, guys. Meko ba. Thank you so much for suggesting. Yeah, love from Africa, guys. Make sure to subscribe and feel free to suggest other amazing content. Love from Africa.